Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday morning, October 21st, 2025, and we have a great mix of science headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Adamera reports on its Talisman Tungsten Property, Washington State. Plans to offer the project for joint venture. Adamera Minerals Corp. Plans to offer its Talisman Tungsten Property for joint venture near Laurier, Washington. Tungsten, a critical mineral, holds strategic importance in various industries due to its unique properties. The Talisman mine, a historic tungsten producer, also contains high-grade copper, silver, lead, and zinc. Adamera's exploration has identified significant metal values and polymetallic mineralization potential. The company aims to joint venture the property to focus on its gold assets, leveraging the historical tungsten production and newly discovered copper-silver enrichment. A drill program is planned to test high-grade scheelite zones and associated copper-silver-bearing sulfides with further geochemical and geophysical surveys. The Talisman property presents a promising opportunity for redevelopment under modern critical minerals initiatives.
Danaher reports third quarter 2025 results. Danaher Corporation, DHR, announced third quarter 2025 results. Net earnings were $908, or 1.27 cents per diluted common share. Revenues increased 4.5% year over year to $6.1 billion. Operating cash flow was $1.7 billion. Rainer M. Blair, President and CEO, highlighted strong performance in bioprocessing and respiratory revenue at Cepheid. Danaher remains focused on innovation and productivity gains to address healthcare challenges. Full year 2025 outlook includes maintaining adjusted diluted net earnings per common share guidance range of $7.70 to $7.80. Danaher is a global life sciences and diagnostics innovator dedicated to improving human health through science and technology. Smarter skies ahead. AI reshapes how we predict air pollution. Air pollution forecasting is evolving with the help of deep learning, offering a data-driven approach to decode the atmosphere's complexity. By fusing satellite imagery, ground monitoring, and meteorological data, deep learning can provide near real-time insights. However, challenges such as model generalization and interpretability remain. Researchers from Fudan University and the University of Manchester emphasize the need for physically consistent, interpretable AI models for accurate air quality prediction. By integrating AI with atmospheric science, the goal is to create transparent and actionable pollution forecasting systems. This approach could lead to cleaner skies, healthier cities, and a more sustainable planet. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.